Paperless movement, your productivity, your way.
Struggling with email overload? Well, then you clicked on the right video. You see, when you combine Superhuman with the strategies from our email management course, we guarantee you'll achieve Inbox Zero daily. Today, we've handpicked 3 out of our 10 strategies from the course to help you supercharge your email processing with Superhuman. So if your inbox is overflowing or if you're just looking for some pro tips, stick around and let's dive in. Concept number 1, split inboxes for more focus. Think of your different email addresses as broad categories: work, personal, etc. Splitting these addresses into subcategories creates more digestible segments and enhances focus. With Superhuman, setting up split inboxes is incredibly easy. Simply hit Command+K and the selected email. Type new split inbox, choose the emails that should automatically go to the new split inbox, and you're done. Tailoring a system that satisfies your unique needs is the cornerstone of successful email management. Concept number 2. Limit your email traffic. Want to get on top of your email game? The first step is to make full use of the digital tools you already have. For example, if you have information that's related to a task, write down this information on the tasks, in the comment section, in the description for your team to see. Or if you have just some quick follow-ups or discussions, don't send an email, use your team communication tools. Here at the Paperless Movement, for example, we use ClickUp, Slack and Superhuman in combination. This way, we significantly reduce unnecessary emails and simplify our hunt for information. Next, let's tackle the influx from numerous subscriptions. Ask yourself, do all those newsletters truly provide value? Superhuman makes managing this easier than you might think. Just use Command+U to unsubscribe from any opened or selected email. But that's not all. It also allows you to archive or delete all previous emails from the same newsletter instantly. This feature can be a real game changer for those of you who are buried under a pile of unread newsletter emails. It will noticeably decrease your total numbers of unread emails in no time. If you encounter an email without an unsubscribe button, Superhuman doesn't leave you hanging. It'll prompt you to block the sender instead. Implementing these simple steps can go a long way in reducing clutter and maintaining a consistent Inbox Zero. And now concept number 3, inside versus outside view. Let's talk about mastering your emails from 2 perspectives. With the outside view, you get a broad overview of your inbox, allowing you to perform bulk actions efficiently. This is where our triage workflow from the email management course comes into play. By archiving or snoozing your emails until your next email management block, you'll swiftly cut through your inbox. This process lets you refine your inbox to what truly requires your attention. Then comes the inside view, where you delve into individual emails for detailed management. Superhuman supercharges this process by automatically moving you to the next email once you've archived the previous one. This streamlined process ensures no email is overlooked. I trust these 3 concepts will put you back in the driver's seat of your email management. But if you're dealing with hundreds or even thousands of unread emails, there's no need to fret. Our emergency lesson inside the course introduces the distill and kill method, which will help you transform an overwhelming inbox with thousands of unread emails to a clean slate in less than 15 minutes. So come on board today and let's high-five your first week streak of achieving Inbox Zero within our closed community. And if you're a busy professional hungry for more productivity boosts, we've got your back too. No matter if digital note-taking, personal task management or project management, our solutions are forged from real business battlefield experiences. Just subscribe to our channel for free or join our membership today to get proven productivity advice at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you up in the next video.